just crossing the River Tyne at Dunbar. It's Sunday the 24th of February. I said February, you would think it was June. Absolutely beautiful today. I'm rolling with two cameras for a little while just to see how it goes. It was suggested that it might be a good idea to shift things about a little bit, so please let me know what you think. Normally I just roll with the camera in front of us, and then when I'm having a bit of goss, a little bit crack, I'll have the camera facing, so I don't often play with the two at the same time. But I don't mind. If it's what people enjoy, then we'll go for it. First of all, I'd like to say I had an absolutely amazing day on Friday down at Daff, Leyland. And it really took care of us. Like, there was a few that went down, and I can't really fault the whole day. It was excellent. I didn't know what to expect, and to be honest with you, I was in two minds, because I've never been asked to do anything like that before. Even driving down, I'm thinking, what am I doing, man? But yeah, it's, I came away with a lot, put it that way. Yeah, there might be future work with them. We hope so. We all seem to get along very well. Just watch your space, I suppose. Anyway, I'm off to Livy. It was a Sunday today, like I say, 1 o'clock start. Originally 8 o'clock, changed it to 10 o'clock. And the last chance scenario, they rang me up and went, can you go in at 1 o'clock? Yeah, okay. So, in the yard, beautiful 68 plate Scania R450, and trailer was there. I got in about 1:45, called in, and I was out of the yard by 2:15. Left my sat nav at home today. I left it in the car. I don't know why I took it with us down to Preston. It was just in my gadget box that I took down, I didn't get any aerial footage with the drone down there. There was a lot of stuff in the way and things, and one of the guys did a bit of drone footage, but it wasn't a great deal to shoot, and I didn't want to risk hitting overhead power cables up there and getting into trouble, so I just kept mine in the box. Just thoroughly enjoyed the day. You probably seen Luke Vernon was there. It was absolutely brilliant to see him. He's why I started doing truck vlogging. I've been vlogging for many years, but I never thought about doing anything in the truck. And then I watched his stuff when I was learning to drive, so to see him was lovely, and I told him that as well, and he appreciated it. Good guy, totally good guy. Stopped for a pint of milk, and I got a punnet of grapes for £1.25 for Marx's, because they're running out of date. It's going to change. I'm going to have to go through it. Because it's on amber like that, you're allowed to get through it. Obviously you're carrying stuff on the back, and the weight and the momentum and whatnot. Well, I said I'll be here for 5, it's 4:48. Quiet. Not too quiet actually, there's no one waiting to get in, but there's quite a few of the bays taken up. Some of the older, like from 1916 to 30 is quite quiet. And then it's a bit busier. See where they put me. We're 28. It's only frozen over this side, the first few. 23, 25, 28. Perfect. Just go and get the doors. High vis. It's 4:59. See what the crack is. See in about an hour if I'm lucky. Okay, that's us out of here. Just under an hour. It's 6 o'clock, a couple of minutes to 6. Back in the yard for about 9:30 and out of there by, let's say, 10, 15, something like that. So it's brilliant. Gives us over 11 hours off, as long as we don't encounter any problems down the road. Well, the camera's off now, just darken the cab, so knock that off.